In today's beginner's guide to makeup, we are discussing contouring. Contouring is a makeup technique that is used to define, enhance and sculpt the structure of your face. Contouring is tweaked depending on your face shape, but today I'll be focusing on the basics. Apply your foundation first. This is your base. It will even out your skin tone and give you the coverage that you need. Choose your product. I'm using contouring sticks as they are creamy, blendable and very easy to use. Apply a highlight concealer 2 shades lighter than your natural skin tone to the areas of your face that naturally catch the light. This will give the illusion of brightness and accentuate these areas. Never apply concealer just on top of dark circles. Due to the way the light naturally hits your face, this will have the opposite effect and enhance them. Apply concealer in a V shape down to the tip of the nose to brighten the whole entire area. Apply highlighter to the center of your forehead, down the center of the nose, on the cupid's bow, center of the chin, and also just under your contour right above your jawline. For a bit more control and precision, I like to take a small detailed synthetic brush and just bring the concealer right into the inner corner of my eye, and also use this for the cupid's bow. For shading, using a concealer 2 shades darker than your skin tone will create shadows and dimensions and will give the illusion of a slimmer face and features. You want to shade under your cheekbones to slim the face and give the illusion of higher cheekbones. Use the top of your ear and the corner of your mouth as a guide, but never past the center of your eye. This will suck in your face too much. If, like me, you have no cheekbones, you can bring your contour up a little bit higher to create shadows and give the illusion. You also want to bring your contour right under your jawline to chisel it out, around the outer corners of the forehead to create some shadows. If, like me, you have absolutely no definition around your jawline and chin, you can bring your contour up on either side of your highlight to give the illusion of a more defined chin, just under the lower lip to create a pout, and also you can take your contour down either side of your nose, keeping the line quite thin to give the illusion of a slimmer nose. Now everything is in place, it's time to blend it all together. I like to use a damp sponge. Make sure it's damp and not wet. Starting with the highlight, start to bounce the tip of the sponge against your skin. This will blend it together, but make sure you're not dragging and moving the product around, as this will defeat the whole purpose. For the darker shade, make sure you flip your sponge around so you're not mixing the colors together, and repeat the same process again by patting the sponge into the skin and making sure you're not moving the product too much. For the hairline and forehead, you can start blending the contour back into the hairline so there's no lines or blotches. We are almost there. Once everything's in place, you need to set in place with a powder to prevent slipping and sliding. You can simply use a dusting of translucent powder if you'd like to finish here, or if you'd like a bit more definition, I'd recommend using a contour powder. I'm using a contouring brush which is nice and compact and just literally packing the product on where I already have my contour placed. Using the little brush we used earlier, we're just going to repeat the same process again, just setting the powder under the lip and down either side of the nose. To set the highlight in place, you want to take a powder again that's 2 shades lighter, and a synthetic brush. I'm going to take this one from Blank Canvas Cosmetics. It's nice and compact so it fits perfectly under the eyes. Pat your highlighter in place, and this is also a great opportunity to clean up your contour. And finish by taking a clean powder brush and just very lightly blending all over the face to make sure everything is blended seamlessly. All that's missing is that gorgeous shimmery glow. Apply your shimmery highlight right on top of your cheekbones, under the brow bone, down the center of your nose, and also on your cupid's bow to finish off the look perfectly. I really hope you enjoy this contouring tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.